Welcome to fourth week of September, and last 2 days we saw a strong fall, and I was not able to set any strategies up because of CAM's IPO. I barely had time yesterday. However, today I'm going to set up a strategy, and the reason is that just to give you guys an example that even for short time periods, you can definitely create a decent income as long as your net weekly return is coming out to be nice. Also, uh, the flexibility that option selling gives you is that yes, if you have a clear analysis and study, then any time frame can be worked out for income based strategies definitely. Okay, so now I already have set up. Right now we can see Nifty has taken a good crash. It's at 11,150, which is a strong support, and we might see Nifty going up or going down. We don't know that. Below I have 10,800 as my level. Okay, and right now it's 22nd. This is Tuesday. We just have 2 days for expiry. So I'm going to set up an iron condor. Basically, I don't know where the market is going to go down or up, and so the strategy is going to utilize these levels: weekly important 11,650 and 10,800. As long as Nifty stays in between these, I will end up profiting. And if it strongly moves towards one side, then I will exit the other. Although I feel that within 2 days, Nifty is going to stay within this huge range. I've given it a huge range so that the probability is very high of making that kind of income. Okay, so here we have 10,700 put. I have sold at 10,700 right below this. Okay, this is our bullish trade, and I bought 10,600 put just to protect it. Very important because what if it does fall in 2 days and it's not unknown? Times are uncertain. There is second wave of coronavirus coming in. That is one side. On the upside, again I have kept 11,600. I've sold the call. Okay, so that below 11,600 at this level, Nifty stays doesn't touch. As long as it stays below, we profit. And I have sold. I have bought a call at 11,700, which I might square off if this continues to fall down. I will exit one of the legs. So here 11,700, just to make sure that we are protected from the upside in case it sharply moves, and we don't want to lose our face. Otherwise, we end up exposing to unlimited losses. Okay. And of course, the expiry is in 2 days. So this is a 24th September expiry trade. Standard iron condor. Okay. So we are giving Nifty a big range to move. We're using a short bull spread and a short put spread and adding them together to create this entire range. Okay. Now the reason I've not been directional in this is that whenever Nifty falls so strongly, there is usually some buyback, and Nifty people are going to come bargain hunting, and we might see a slight bounce back. That's why I'm not going for a completely bearish strategy. That happens a lot. It happened during Corona fall as well. That even though Nifty was falling sharply, there are some days when people are picking up stocks, so market actually went bullish. That is also known as a bull trap. So to avoid that, I'm using a range-based strategy. Okay, and in 2 days, we expect a return of 0.6% on a mere capital of 41,000. Of course, you can scale it up by adding. If you're using 1 lakh rupees of capital, then you can definitely use 2 lots. And so I will put 2 lots over here just to give you the sense. So with 2 lot, we're just using 83K and still making 0.64 return on the day of expiry. Okay, very important. We are going to let this expire. I'm going to square it off at the last day, at the last minute.